In this lecture, we will learn about tree traversal in Python. One of the key concepts in computer programming when working with trees is known as traversing the tree. Traversing a tree means visiting each of the nodes in the tree. There are three types of tree traversal in computer programming: pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversal. Pre-order traversal means that we visit the root node, then the left node, and then the right node. We will name our function pre-order, and it will take in one parameter named root. A handy syntax for checking if the root is not none is just to type if root. Inside of the if statement, we will print out root.data, then we will call preorder recursively on root.left, and then again on root.right. Then outside of the function, we're going to call our preorder function on node 3, the root node of the tree. When we run the code, you will notice that the nodes were printed in the order A, B, and C. This makes sense since A is the root, B is the left node, and C is the right node. And with a pre-order traversal, we visit the root node, then the left node, and then the right node. In-order traversal means that we visit the left node, root node, and then the right node. Let's name our function in-order and have it take in one parameter named root. We will check if the root exists, and if so, we will make a recursive call to in-order and pass in root.left. Then we will print out root.data, and then make another recursive call to in-order and pass in root.right. Then outside of the function, we will call our in-order function and pass in node 3, the root node of our tree. When we run the code, you will notice that the nodes were printed in the order B, A, and C. This makes sense since B is the left node, A is the root node, and C is the right node. Post-order traversal means we visit the left node, then the right node, and then the root node. We will name our function post-order, and it will take in one parameter named root. Inside of our function, we will use an if statement to check if root exists, and if so, we will call post-order on root.left, post-order on root.right, and then print out root.data. Then, outside of the function, we will call our post-order function and pass in node 3, the root node of our tree. When we run the code, you will notice that the nodes are printed out in the order B, C, A. This makes sense because B is our left node, C is the right node, and A is the root node. In the next lecture, we will learn about performing a breadth-first search on a tree.